How's it going, everybody? This is Tim from SneakerAccessories.com. Today we're here to demo a new product for you, Island Girl Pink Cleaner. It's a sneaker cleaner that's made from the same folks who made Siglo. A lot of you guys remember Siglo for making your old clear soles that turned yellow look icy again. The cleaner is really great for a daily cleaner or your old beat up kicks. To demonstrate it, what I've done is I've gotten the dirtiest, rattiest pair of my kids' Air Force Ones I could find. We'll go ahead and clean these things up. When we're done cleaning them, we'll swap out the laces for some new laces to give it a nice fresh look. Let's get started. There you have it, guys. You can see that my kicks are looking box fresh again. The laces added a nice touch to give it a nice fresh look. I probably extended the wearable life of these sneakers another 6 to 8 months, saved myself 70 bucks from having to buy my kid a new pair of sneakers. You can find this product as well as a whole series of other products available at SneakerAccessories.com. Thanks for watching today's video. Hope you like and subscribe.